Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to change your interests on Tinder. So changing your interests on Tinder helps you showcase your personality and find matches with similar vibes. So here is how to update them. So first open Tinder on your mobile device, then tap on the profile on the bottom right corner of your screen, then tap on edit profile, which is like pen icon right here. So scroll down until you see looking for, add height, languages, zodiac, education. You can see many options. Once you've selected your preference or changed your preferences, tap on the tick icon on the top right. There we go. Tinder will show the success sign that it's been updated, and that's it. Now you guys know how to change your interests on Tinder. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next time.